Hello everyone, welcome to Mentor's Mind IS. This is the part 3 of the LCM for CSAT series. In this part, I'm going to teach you how to find the LCM of two or more numbers by using the division method. So let's start with it. In case of division method of finding the, say you have to find the LCM of, two numbers, say 12 and 18. For finding in case of division method, write these two numbers in the form of like a table, 12 and 18 together. Now start with the least prime number. In this case, it is 2, which more possibly can divide both the numbers. If it is not, you can take the least prime number that divides any one of them also. Like in case of here, 2 into 6, 2 into 9. And next the least number that can divide any of them, you can say again it's 2 into 3, and write this, if it is not dividing it, write it as it is. Then again 3 is the least number that can divide both of them here, 3 into 1, 3 into 3, again 3 and 1. So then if you, when you multiply, these are the prime numbers you get. When you multiply them, you are going to get the LCM, which is equal to 36. 36 is the LCM of these two numbers. If let us say it, look at it with some other example also. LCM of 5 and 20. If I have to 5 and 20, I write it in a tabular form. Then start with the least number that can divide either one of them or both of them. Here the least number that can divide both of them is 5, and the least prime number is 2. You can start with 2. Here nothing, it can just write it as it is. Here it divides, then 10. Again the least prime number that can divide both of them is, or any of them, is 2, which divides 10 but not 5. So write 5 as it is. 2 into 5, 10. Now 5 is the least prime number that will divide any of them. So 5 ones are. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 20. 20 is the LCM of these numbers. Now for 3 numbers also the same process is there. I am expanding the first example, 12, 18, 24. 12, 18, 24. So now least prime number that can any of them is 2. 6 are, 2 9s are, 2 12s are. Now again the least prime number that can do any one of them is 2. 2 it does not, so 9 as it is. 2 into 6. 2 is again the number that divides. 2, 9 and 3. Now 3 is the number that least prime number that divides any one of them. 3 into 1, 3, 1. 3 again, 1, 1, 1. We have to go it till you get all the here all 1. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 72. This is your answer. If I have to summarize this method, it can be explained as: first, arrange the numbers, write the given numbers in a row and separated by commas. Then divide those, choose the smallest prime number, example to say, that can divide at least one of the numbers. Then write the quotients directly under those numbers. If the number is not divisible, carry it down to the next row as it is. Now repeat this process until all the numbers in the row become 1. Multiply. The product of all prime factor divisors on the left is the LCM. This is what I did in the previous 3 examples. So this is the division method to find the LCM. In series part 4, I will cover one of the very famous property of formula, you can say, that connects LCM and HCF. It can be used directly in a lot of questions. It will be uploaded very soon, so keep the track of it. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to the channel.